I need a bus ticket. Where to? One ticket to downtown, please. That will be $2. How much is a ticket to the airport? It's $10. Is this the right bus for the city center? Yes, it is. What time does the next bus leave? In 15 minutes. When is the last bus? At 11 p.m. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. Can I pay with cash? Yes, you can. Is there a student discount? Yes, show your student ID. Can I get a round-trip ticket? Yes, it costs $4. How long is the ride to the station? About 30 minutes. Do I need to change buses? No, it's a direct route. Where can I buy a ticket? At the ticket counter. Where does this bus go? It goes to the shopping mall. How often do the buses run? Every 20 minutes. Can I get a refund? Yes, with your receipt. Where is the bus stop? Just around the corner. Does this bus stop at the mall? Yes, it does. What time does this bus arrive? At 3 p.m. Is this an express bus? No, it's a local bus. Is there a timetable? Yes, here it is. Can I get a monthly pass? Yes, it's $50. Is this seat taken? No, it's free. Are there any available seats? Yes, at the back. Is it a direct route? Yes, no transfers needed. How many stops are there? There are 5 stops. What's the next stop? Main Street. Where is the nearest bus stop? 2 blocks down. How do I get to the bus terminal? Take a left and walk straight. Can I buy a ticket online? Yes, on our website.